ओम शांति।
ओम शांति।
ओम शांति।
ओम शांति।
आज प्यारे माँ की याद में
remembrance of our beloved mother,
सबकी स्नेह भरी याद लेकर
I took everyone's heartfelt remembrance, and as I reached the subtle world,
इतना ही
the scene of the subtle world was filled with feelings. Everywhere there was the feelings of love.
भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के स्वरूपों में मालाएं,
And the garlands
गुलदस्ते,
of loveful feelings
कई प्रकार की डेकोरेशन,
and many kinds of decorations
हर डेकोरेशन
were visible.
इतनी सुंदर
With every decoration
लहरें,
there was the waves of love,
इतना सुंदर सब।
and a very beautiful form could be seen.
तो बाबा कहाँ है, मम्मा कहाँ है, वो दिखाई नहीं दे रहे।
I was not able to see where Baba is and where Mama is.
उसने किस
After a second,
खो गई
I was lost in that remembrance,
कि बहुत
and after some time I saw
माँ का रूप,
at the peak of the mountain
भिन्न भिन्न रूप दिखाई
there was Mother's form,
दे रहे हैं और चारों ही तरफ भक्तों की
and the different forms of a mother,
अलग लाइनें लगी हुई थी।
and there were
जो भक्त
the lines of the devotees, and each devotees were remembering Mama
को दोनों हाथ जोड़ करके बस अपना
in whatever form Mama was visible. Devotees were remembering Mama in that form.
कि मम्मा
On the other side I saw Mama was sitting. Mama was having the tapasya form,
अनेक तपस्वी
and many tapasvis were sitting and doing tapasya.
तो कुछ सेकंड
And after some time,
फिर वो बहुत छोटे छोटे एंजल
very little angels
और एक पुष्पक विमान में
were seen,
मम्मा
and in the Pushpak Viman,
दूर से
Mama and Baba were coming from far.
वो आकर
And
पहुँचते हैं।
as they came and reached the subtle world,
देखो आज ये वतन कितना सुंदर सजा है।
Baba said that today the subtle world is
और
looking so beautiful. Mama was saying, smiling,
मम्मा की आंखों में जैसे स्नेह की
but in Mama's eyes,
हो रहे थे, जैसे सबके
the pearls of love was visible.
ऐसा स्वरूप दिखाया।
It was as if Mama was absorbing everything.
से मम्मा और बाबा को सामने बिठा करके और वो एंजल भिन्न
The angels made Baba and Mama sit with respect, and those angels were decorating
मम्मा का
Mama.
हुआ तो मम्मा
As Mama was decorated,
बहुत सुंदर शक्ति देवी ऐसे ऐसे एक एक सेकंड के अंदर
within seconds,
होती जा रही थी, जैसे कोई स्क्रीन।
Mama's forms were changing in a form of power.
तो मैंने कहा
I said, Baba,
आज तो मधुबन
today
विदेश
Madhuban,
सभी भाई बहन
this land, and abroad, everyone are remembering
ने कहा
Mama.
वो तो
Baba said they are remembering,
लेकिन पता है
but do you know, since Amrit Vela today,
माँ तो अपने बच्चों के पास होकर
the mother has gone to each and every children, to all the centers.
सबको स्नेह के
The mother had been
और वरदान
and showered love and filled them with the aprons of blessings.
के स्नेह के बिना कैसे
The mother cannot stay without the love of the children.
है और माँ
The children's love is in mother's heart and the mother's love is in the heart of the children. Mama's form was filled with love
दिखाई दी।
and was visible in front of the children.
मैंने पूछा
After some time,
क्या किया?
I asked, what did you all do today? Baba was peaceful. Mama was smiling.
माँ कहती है बच्चों
Mama said, children's love was pulling me,
अंदर अनेक प्रकार की मालाएं
and within the strings of the garland, there was many garlands,
हर एक
and the
के स्वरूप के अंदर माँ ने भी उनका प्यार उनके स्नेह की भावनाएं देखी। फिर कुछ
children's love was visible.
एडवांस पार्टी की जो विशेष
The advanced parties, special jewels,
जो
dadis,
के
and the pillars of the yajna, they were all standing on the one side and on the other side.
आधार मूलक और साथ साथ जो विशेष
The support of the yajna at the present time,
खड़े हैं और उन सब ने
they were all holding Mama,
बाबा जो है वो पीछे से
and for a second Baba was hidden.
तो दोनों ही
They both were in front of Mama, standing.
पार्टी वाले
The advanced parties, they embraced Mama,
रहे थे और फिर मम्मा को ऐसे ही झूले में स्नेह के झूले में
and they were swinging Mama in the swings of love.
कहती है दादी कहती
Didi said, Dadi said,
तो अभी भी कितने
Mama, even now you are doing so much of service.
मुस्कुरा
Mama was smiling.
कहती हैं
Mama said,
बिना और जो
without all of you all
उपस्थित हैं
and all those who are present in service at this time, and without them, how there can be the service of transformation?
नाव के रूप में बनाए
Baba has all his children in the form of arms, and everyone are doing service. Baba is seeing this, and Baba is making do.
देख रहे हैं यहाँ
And after some time, I could see
तो
all those who are in service at the present time. They all said, Mama, you are very much needed here now.
आप भूल गए हैं क्या?
Mama said, you forgot, is it?
साथ से
We are all with Baba.
साथ ही जाएंगे
We will all do service together. We will all go together to Baba.
का पार्ट अलग
Everyone's part is different.
पार्ट भिन्न
Everyone's part is unique.
प्रत्यक्ष रूप में कोई
Some have their parts in the practical way. Some have the parts in the avyakt form.
लेकिन हम सबको सेवा के लिए निमित्त
But we should all have the feelings of being an instrument while doing service and complete Baba's task.
तो फिर उसके बाद क्या देखते हैं?
And within this, what could I see was
तो सब कैसे बाबा
everyone were asking, where is Baba?
तो एक सेकंड में बाबा
In a second, Baba came,
कहा
and then Baba said,
आज बच्चे
see Mama, everyone are remembering you a lot today.
भोग आया है।
The bhog has also come from Madhuban,
बाबा ने
and at the same time, Baba removed the cover of bhog and started feeding Mama.
दीदी दोनों ने क्या किया?
At that time, what Didi and Dadi did,
प्यार कराया तो फिर
they also offered bhog to Mama, and then Mama said, everybody has to be fed bhog.
तो मम्मा ऐसे
Mama was feeding everyone,
सबके सामने
and the Bhog was reaching everyone.
बाबा ने कहा, माँ
Baba said,
खिलाए ये कभी हो नहीं सकता।
the mother cannot live without feeding the children. First the children and then the mother. Today the mother, with a lot of love, since Amrit Vela, he is filling
फिर मैंने
the children with everything.
तो विशेष
I said, Baba, today's day is special.
है कि आज
Baba said, today's day is so important.
भगत
Any devotees, knowingly or unknowingly, they remember their
उसे कुछ न कुछ
special deity and they will definitely attain
सामने दिखाई
something or the other.
पर माँ के भिन्न भिन्न रूप हैं।
On the mountain, there were different forms of mother.
रहा था तो वो तो
The devotees could see light
जा रहे
and they were becoming happy.
दृश्य में दिखाया
And on the other side,
बच्चे हैं
Baba's children, they were many.
और मम्मा सबको,
Mama was giving drishti to all.
लेकिन मम्मा के हाथ में ऐसे एक
There was grapes in Mama's hands
तो वो अंगूर जो था वो सबके
and that grapes was reaching everyone.
में क्या दिखाई दिया?
What could I see in that was
एक बहुत मीठा सा
very
था और उसमें लिखा हुआ था परमात्मा।
beautiful taste was emerging from it.
तो फिर दूसरी तरफ उसी अंगूर
And it was written as
दिखाई दे रहा था
the experience of God's love.
का बाप।
And on the other side it was written, I belong to Baba and Baba belongs to me.
जैसे मम्मा याद
It was as though Mama was reminding everyone as what is Baba's love,
के अनुभव में
and everybody should be absorbed in Baba's love.
मेरा है
And secondly,
और मैं
I am Baba's and Baba is mine.
बीच बीच में कभी कभी इस विस्मृति से दूर
And sometimes the children forget this, and therefore today the mother is reminding all of you all, I am Baba's and Baba is mine, and children should stay in this remembrance.
आज मम्मा क्या बच्चों के लिए
And today I said, what teachings will Mama give us today?
कहती है
Mama was smiling and said, Baba will tell.
कहा आज
So Baba said,
माँ की आपस में रूह
today there was a
उस रूह
chit chat of the mother and the father,
मम्मा ने
and within that chit chat, what Mama said was,
आज मम्मा का मैं मैसेंजर बन के
and Baba also said, I being a messenger of Mama, I would say,
कि माँ ने क्या
and so Baba said, what Mama said was, according to the present time,
हलचल की
there are the situations of fluctuating,
स्थिति के अंदर कई बच्चे अभी तक भी
and many children, they are coming under fluctuations, and they are
बच्चों को ये ध्यान रखना है ये हलचल की स्थिति
fluctuating, and therefore these are the situations which will make children strong and will experience God's love
सर्व शक्तियों से अपने आप को
and have to fill yourselves with all powers. And secondly, Baba said,
मनुष्य आत्माएं
within the world,
होती जा रही हैं
human beings are becoming hopeless,
उनको कोई
and because of being hopeless,
देना है
they cannot find the way.
गाँव के अंदर इस समय बच्चों को
For those hopeless souls, now the children have got the method to do service,
भरने का और बाप का परिचय
to do the service of filling power in them and giving them God's love.
देख रहे थे
Baba was saying, and Baba said, today Mama said one thing, children are fluctuating, and the reason for this is they have less experience to experience sitting in solitude, and there is a less experience of being introverted, and they are unable to stabilize themselves in a concentration, and therefore Mama said, let the children be introverted and let them sit in the self stage that Baba has selected me. I belong to Baba and Baba is mine. And thirdly, instead of fluctuating, one should feel power within oneself and the powers will be accumulated. And then Baba said, since Amrit Vela today, Mama went to all the centers, to the children, looked at their love and gave the return of their love. And looking at each one's effort, Mama was saying that children are so fortunate that they are very cooperative in Baba's task. Have to sing the praise of oneself and the fortune that Baba is bestowing. Have to bring those stages in a reality. Some children, they only speak about their fortune, but also have to become the embodiment of it and also make effort accordingly. Advanced parties also gave love and remembrance, and they also said, do all of you know what service Mama is doing? Mama is giving inspirations to the scientists and those who belong to the other religions. Mama makes them experience God's love. Mama gives inspirations as how this world has to be transformed. Mama gives a lot of love to everyone and also sings sweet lullaby to everyone, and everyone are singing that our Mama is giving us everything, and Mama was also singing lullaby and filling the children with all treasures. Mama also added, all are Baba's cooperative children. You are all special jewels. Have to complete this task very quickly. The more you will go into silence, the more there will be service at a fast speed, and everyone will definitely experience. And Baba said, just as the mother made effort, similarly, you children have to make effort and tell Mama that Mama, we will definitely complete your wish. Om Shanti.
सृष्टि मंच पर सबसे सुंदर प्यारा अभिनय वो अदा कर, खो गई तू कहाँ ढूंढते सब यहाँ, ऐ माँ तू कहाँ ढूंढते हम यहाँ, ओम मंडली में एक कन्या राधे रूप में थी आई। ओम राधे आगे चलकर श्री राधे थी कहलाई। लक्ष्मी दुर्गा सरस्वती, लक्ष्मी दुर्गा सरस्वती, तुझे जाने सकल जहां। खो गई तू कहाँ, ढूंढते सब यहाँ। ऐ माँ तू कहाँ, ढूंढते हम यहाँ। नैनों में नूरानी जादू, चेहरे पर था तेज अपार। वाणी की वीणा सुनने को आतुर था सारा संसार। बड़े शौक से सुनता जमाना, बड़े शौक से सुनता जमाना, तुमसे वो दास्तां। खो गई तू कहाँ, ढूंढते सब यहाँ। ऐ माँ तू कहाँ, ढूंढते हम यहाँ। व्यक्त और अव्यक्त रूप में सब में सबसे थी आगे। कितनों ने जीवन पाया, कितनों के भाग्य तुमसे जागे। परवाना था जहान सारा, परवाना था जहान सारा। माँ तू बनी क्षमा, खो गई तू कहाँ, ढूंढते सब यहाँ। ऐ माँ तू कहाँ, ढूंढते हम यहाँ। हर घड़ी अंतिम घड़ी, समझ सफल हर श्वास करो। भूल हुई जो हो न दोबारा, इसको ही पुरुषार्थ कहो। श्रीमत पे पूरा पूरा चल, श्रीमत पे पूरा पूरा चल। चलना ही चलना, खो गई तू कहाँ, ढूंढते हम यहाँ। खो गई तू कहाँ, ढूंढते हम यहाँ। ये सखियाँ शिव शक्तियाँ, ये ब्राह्मण कुल है बुला रहा। ये अंगूर की बेल लताएं, बाग बगीचा बुला रहा। मधुबन का अंगना पुकारे, मधुबन का अंगना पुकारे। मिल लो चाहे हो जहाँ, खो गई तू कहाँ, ढूंढते सब यहाँ। खो गई तू कहाँ, ढूंढते सब यहाँ। ऐ माँ तू कहाँ, ढूंढते हम यहाँ। ढूंढते हम यहाँ, ढूंढते हम यहाँ।
आज वतन भोग लेकर पहुंची।
I reached the subtle world
आज विशेष
to offer bhog to Baba.
बुधवार का दिन,
Today on the day of Thursday,
विशेष मम्मा का दिन
on Mama's day,
होने के कारण
as I reached the subtle world
वतन में
with bhog,
तो देखती
I saw
बाबा के
Mama was sitting with Baba.
मम्मा बैठी हुई है और बाबा माँ की तरफ
And Baba was
इशारा
signaling towards Mama
करते
and was saying,
माँ आज
today especially in the subtle world,
वतन में सभी जगह सभी स्थान
everywhere, every place,
सभी जगह से मम्मा के प्रति
on behalf of Mama,
अमृत बेसरी
since Amrit Vela, remembrance was reaching,
और दूसरा बाबा ने कहा कि आज मम्मा प्रति बच्ची
the remembrance of Mama was coming in each one's mind, and the remembrance was reaching the subtle world.
थोड़े बच्चे हैं, उनके भी मन में मम्मा के प्रति बड़ा
And everyone were
समर्पित हो रहे
giving their tribute to Mama in the subtle world.
देखा है।
Baba was looking at Mama
देखते हुए कहते
and was saying, Mama is so fortunate,
कितना भाग्यशाली है,
100-fold fortunate.
कितना ना सौभाग्यशाली है। तो विशेष
Every day, definitely,
बाबा
we remember Baba, but
पर मम्मा को
especially
इस बच्चे
Mama is also remembered
इस समय
according to the time. Children
है बच्चों की
remember Mama and the remembrance reaches the subtle world.
कि दुनिया में भी ब्रह्मा
Even in
बाबा
the world outside, there is a memorial temple of Brahma Baba,
पर मम्मा का विशेष रूप से सरस्वती
Mama is also remembered in the form of Saraswati, goddess of knowledge.
एक विद्या की देवी के रूप
In every home, all little children and even elders
को पूजते हैं
remember Mama in the form of goddess of knowledge. Baba spoke this much, and later
माँ के रूप में जो मम्मा के अनेक रूप थे
Mama's variety forms were visible.
का ढाई बच्चों के आगे पर दुनिया वालों के आगे
In the world outside,
दुर्गा देवी के रूप में
in the form of goddess Durga, is also worshipped.
तो बड़ा
So who becomes the senior?
की इस प्रकार
Mama is worshipped in variety forms.
कहने लगे बड़ा कौन हुआ।
So Baba said, who becomes the senior?
मीठी दृष्टि से मुझ
Mama had a sweet smile,
की
but Mama said, first comes the father and then the mother.
क्योंकि बाप ने
If there is no father, from where the mother will come? When there is a mother, then there are children.
बाबा ने कहा मम्मा के प्रिय
Today in the subtle world,
आज वतन में सभी
All children were remembering Mama and as well as invoking her.
तो मम्मा भी मीठी
Mama had a sweet smile. Mama said, call my friends,
मेरी सखी
my
बुलाओ,
sisters.
भाई बहनों को तो बुलाओ, बाबा को कहा। तो इतने में देखती हूँ कि मम्मा के
I was
बाबा
looking at Baba and Mama.
जो
There were didis, dadis, advanced parties. Baba emerged them.
बाबा ने एकदम उनको इमर्ज कर लिया। मम्मा
Baba and Mama said, everybody are called to the subtle world
सिर्फ अकेले
on this special day.
वो स्वीकार करूँ,
Mama said,
मेरे साथ सखियाँ भी होनी चाहिए। तो इतने में
I will take Bhog, but along with me there should be didis and dadis as well.
दादियाँ की चाहे
There were Didi, Dadi, Dadi Janki and all the other senior dadis.
दादियों को देखा तो बाबा ने कहा कि अभी वतन में
There was splendor in the subtle region.
अभी वतन सज गए है, सभी
The subtle region is decorated with all deities here.
वतन का कलर लग रहा था।
And as I had kept a plate of Bhog in front of Baba, the Bhog plate was decorated.
तो बाबा
In this way, Mama was immersed in the subtle world.
को इमर्ज किया और
First of all, Baba fed Bhog to Mama,
पहले मम्मा को
and then
कराया,
Mama fed Bhog to Baba,
बाबा को भोग स्वीकार कराया और उसके बाद
and then
बाबा ने जितनी दादा को इमर्ज किया वतन में, तो बाबा ने कहा कि विशेष दिन पर
Baba said Mama was invited to the subtle world.
बाबा और मम्मा ने भी विशेष सभी को मधुबन का बहुत
Mama was fed the Bhog of Madhuban. It was a very beautiful scene,
से लग रहा था।
just as there was the scene of splendor in the subtle world.
हमने भी फिर बाबा को, मम्मा को, सभी भाई बहनों की, मधुबन निवासियों की, बड़ी बड़ी बहनों की
I gave lot of love and remembrance of Dadi, Didi,
आज्ञा दी और मम्मा ने भी कराते रही।
and all the
कहा कि
children
बच्चों ने साकार में नहीं,
to Baba and Mama.
पर मम्मा के पास सभी बच्चों की, सभी स्थान के बच्चों की
Everyone's love and remembrance was reaching Baba today in the subtle world.
वतन ने इमर्ज किया है, बुलाया है दिन के अनुसार। तो ये कहते हुए
Baba merged the scene.
बाबा ने वो दृश्य मर्ज कर दिया।
Baba gave heartfelt love and remembrance to everyone. I took Baba's love and remembrance and then came down. Om Shanti.